This review is of Dole Spicy Cashew Chopped Kit. And let's see, it's a product of America and Canada. Thoroughly washed, of course. I would hate to think if it wasn't. But I'm wondering, was it washed before and after it was cut up, or only before? It's blurb. Ooh, instructions. All right. 3 cups have got 9 grams of fat, of which 1.5 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 250 milligrams of sodium, 10 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, 4 grams of sugar, of which 2 are added, and 2 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. Will you please help me? On December 13th of 2024, I am having shoulder replacement surgery, which is going to put me out of work for 3 to 4 months, which is financially is going to be really bad. Obviously, because Amazon has denied and Sedgwick has denied workers' comp for me, despite the fact that the injury happened at work and was a direct result of Amazon violating their own policies, 2 separate policies. And yeah, I'm getting 60% pay. Now that sounds good, right? Except for the fact that they take taxes, of course, and they have to take the money out for my benefits. So it's more like 30% or so. That means that I'm probably looking at about $10 an hour. Now, I don't know about you, but where I live, $1,150 of rent per month. So $10 an hour doesn't cut it. I am lucky that I have food stamps and Medicaid on top of my health insurance from work, but yeah, not ideal. So, if you can please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And if you'd like, you can also join my channel here or on patreon.com/GlennMII. That'd be really super. Thank you so much. And this is the small amount of cashews, which isn't surprising, but it is very surprising that at least half of that is sesame sticks instead of cashews. So you're getting almost, I would say there's about maybe 3 or 4 cashews actually in that bag. And there's the dressing. And there's the end result. Yes, I'm eating it in a burrito shell because, well, I can. And because I love eating it that way. It's much easier than trying to get a balanced forkful out. But I'm going to try it like this first. So the dressing is somewhat spicy. I would say it's a high mild, maybe. I'm not a fan of these sesame sticks. I've never really been into sesame. I think that it's okay, but really to call it spicy cashew salad is a lie because there's almost no cashews in there. And so, as far as that's concerned, I'm going to say for the flavor, since it's supposed to be spicy cashew, and it is spicy, but there's almost no cashew, I'll give it a 3 because you're not going to enjoy cashew flavor. And then as far as overall, I like it. I'll give it a 6.5. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.